Here we go, my cigar smoking, fancy car driving, lady killing ass. I'm not Andrew Tate. What I am, you degenerates, is a ventriloquist figure preformed by the artist currently known as BJD. BJ has a message. Actually, two messages before today's presentation begins. The first is that there is not one of you fools out of 100 out there watching that is going to hook up with a girl that is rated as a 6 or more in current 2024 society. And furthermore, not going to be able to attain the status of top G. Not by a damn sight.
Andrew Tate is very mean.
I'm not Andrew Tate. On with the presentation. Prostitution in Ecuador is legal and regulated as long as the prostitute is over the age of 18. The ownership of brothels is also permitted. Prostitution is widespread throughout the country. Most towns of any size will have at least one chongo. Chongos can be a mix of strip club and brothel. You only need to ask taxi drivers or some men who live there. There is no official red light district in Quito, but you can find many places like sex clubs or chongos to find working girls to have sex with. Plaza Foch is also called a red light area. Location is Calle Foch y Reina Victoria Esquina, Quito, Ecuador. Be careful with young thugs at Foch and near. They will get your cell phone on the run. Prostitutes in Ecuador are very cheap. Most good-looking prostitutes are working in chongos, which is a local term for a combination of strip club and fuck club brothel. The street girls are not as honest as the chongos, where you always get your time in full. You can find streetwalkers in Quito from these areas. The best selection of street girls is between Amazonas and JL Mera in Gringolandia. They may take you to a nearby Lafayette hotel. $5 gets room for 2 hours. Chica price subject to negotiation. Initial quotes are usually between $20 and $40. From there, it is up to your bargaining power and the degree of your sobriety. Police in pickup trucks do sweeps of Gringolandia every so often. Watch the girls run. Optimal. Friday and Saturday nights, 10 p.m. on. One streetwalker was found midweek for a starting price of $10 in March 2014. A secondary market can be found in the streets around Plaza Santo Domingo, Centro Histórico. The girls move around due to police pressure. Security might be a concern here. If you really want some high-danger excitement, take a taxi one night to Avenida Ambato in San Roque, Centro Histórico. Avenue Ambato is lined with many cheap cantinas populated by partying males, making it ideal for the appearance of street girls. It is a street where some 40 chicas were on display late at night. Chicas show a health card. All girls in the Casas clubs are tested every 3 to 5 months for HIV by the health department and have their cards updated. Quito has a very good selection of adult venues. Chongos are probably the most popular adult venues in Quito's pay-for-play scene. Foch Plaza is the singles nightlife area where one can find Quito girls looking for a casual sex, boyfriend, or a sugar daddy. Many freelance escort can be also found from the Foch Plaza, which is located in the Mariscal district. The expensive night palaces are the places where you go after talking to chicas. The girls in the day casas go to these clubs at night and charge amounts many times the multiple of their day price. This makes sense as day casas close by 9 or 10 p.m. Some girls work day jobs and come here at night or weekends to earn extra cash. Ecstasis, located Ignacio San Maria, 4762 and 10 de Agosto. Open 10 p.m. to mid-morning. Chicas cost $120 to $150 to squirt, plus $45 for room. Entrance, $27 for 2 or 3 drinks, depending if it was black label scotch, 2 drinks, or red label or beer, 3 drinks. $125 for sex upstairs, $25 to house, $100 to girl, drinks being 6 for non-top shelf, and girls' drinks are $27. This place is ridiculously expensive compared to top strip clubs in Las Vegas. 515 in Quito en 35, 199 y Ignacio, Santa Maria. Estadio open, 10 p.m. to mid-morning. Entrance $20 for 2 drinks, 5 drinks thereafter. $70 chicas, $20 to house, $50 to girl, 1 hour max. Place remodeled late 2006. If you hook up with a girl, you might be forced to buy her 2 drinks also, prices vary, and the room costs another $21. On top of all of that, you pay the girl whatever you negotiate directly with her. Entrance $17 for 2 or 3 drinks, depending if it was black label scotch, 2 drinks, or red label or beer, 3 drinks. 100 to sex, a chica in-house, 20 to house, 80 to girl. 30 house exit fee per chica, plus 100 to the girl, taking her to a nearby hotel. Strip clubs in Quito are also called fuck clubs. Local term is chongo. All chongos will require ID to get in. All the prices listed below may not be updated. The prices usually are increasing every year, but having sex with a sex worker in Chongo is very cheap in Western standards. Friday is the big night out for many Quito males. If you join the crowds on Friday, it is possible you will wait in line for a hot chica in a Chongo, wait in line for a room or fuck closet, and strictly get minimum time per ficha. Out of a 7-day-a-week mongering schedule, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays are better days for some people, good chica selection without the blowout crowds of Friday. 3 days before Election Day, the Chongos are closed, except for a select few. You have to ask around. Quito's reputation as an unsafe city is becoming more apparent, and as in every big city, tourists should take special care in certain areas. Do not travel up El Panecillo on foot. Use a taxi even during the day. Not only is the neighborhood bad, but the road leading up the hill has very narrow sidewalks and sometimes no sidewalks at all. This presents a risk of being, at best, overwhelmed, at worst, getting run over. The area near Hospital Militar is quite dangerous, even in the late morning. The road Solano, where Casa Bamboo Hostel is situated, is especially dangerous. Armed robberies have become more common. Men have been known to jump out of cars to target and physically threaten foreigners in order to steal their belongings. That will do it for this one. If you would like us to exploit or make goofy jokes about something other than sports, please leave feedback via the comment section below. If you prefer us to direct our talents towards provocative Reddit stories, unusual stuff posted on Twitter, do make your voice heard below. Being that BJ is living off his savings and I am an artificially engineered figure E, we have all day to scour the internet for these types of diamonds in the muff. Diamonds in the rough. Okay. Well, for BJ, D, this is the Andrew Tate puppet, saying don't simp, don't cuck. Say no to dope and be kind to animals. As for what you do to humans, I could care less. And see you in the next.